Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, finally Omuhle Gela actually shows off her baby pump. It's been rumors that she's pregnant, but she never posted any picture or any video publicly, and today she just posted and she captioned the picture of her baby pump. She said, "To the love of my life, just wanted to let you know that the strength you've given me is beyond me. I've watched myself transform into the woman I've always prayed to be for my future children. I will forever thank God for trusting me with his precious creation and thinking I am capable and good enough to mother you. This has been the most surreal, out of my body experience. I'm in disbelief daily, and I wouldn't trade this moment for anything in the world. Truly the most amazing journey I've experienced, and I genuinely wanted to join it privately because it has been an extremely sentimental transition for me. You've made me find my true purpose of living. You've completed me." That's how the caption goes, guys. So Omuhle Gela is finally pregnant and actually showed it out publicly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time. Love you.